Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your English period. Today we are going to revise Now We Are Six poem and lesson 9 The Naughty Monkey. So children, you take out your English literature book, literature copy and revision copy and get ready for the revision. Now We Are Six poem, page number 71. When I was one, I had just begun. When I was two, I was nearly new. When I was three, I was hardly me. When I was four, I was not much more. When I was five, I was just alive. But now I am six, I am as clever as clever. So I think I'll be six now, forever and ever. Children, you learn this poem. This is a very small and beautiful poem. So, children, you have to learn this and take out other exercise in your literature copy and book. Talk about these words. Use them in sentence of your book. Nearly, just, hardly, much. So, here the sentences we are making sentence. Here the words we are making the sentences. Nearly, I fell down nearly to my house. Just, I just come from the park. Hardly, there is hardly any space in a local bus. Much, today I am feeling much better. Children, you want to make another sentence, you make it. Then you come to the next lesson, lesson 9, The Naughty Monkey. I hope you understand this story very well. Okay? So you take out your literature copy and learn the word meaning and other exercise. The Naughty Monkey, lesson 9. Word and their meaning. Naughty, wicked. Tired, weary. Wedge, piece of wood, thick at one end and sharp at other end. Dangerous, perilous. Listen, to hear with attention. Squeak, sharp shell, scratch. And these are and question answer. What were the men doing in the forest? Answer. The men were cutting a huge log of wood in the forest. Next. Why did the men stop working? Answer. The men stopped working to rest. Number 3. What did the men do when they stopped? Answer. The men sat down to eat and a little later they went to sleep. Number 4. Who was very naughty? Answer. The baby monkey was very naughty. Boy. Very naughty. What did the little monkey do? Answer. The little monkey jumped and danced on top of the log. Then after, we are doing some true and false. The old monkey was naughty? No, false. 3 men were cutting the wood? False. The log of wood was quite small? False. The monkey did not listen to his mother? True. The monkey jumped up on the log? True. Now next, we are doing some other works. Fill in the blanks. One day, 2 men were working in the forest. Number 2, They were using a long saw. Number 3, it was hard work. Number 4, in the cut they put a wedge. Number 5, one baby monkey was very naughty. Baby monkey. The monkey's tail got catch. Then after we are doing match the following. Column A, column. 2 men working, cutting log of wood. Baby monkey naughty. Mother shouted. Monkey's tail got catch. I hope you understand this story and this chapter very well. Now you close your book and your copy. And then after you take out your revision copy. First you put date 29/12/2020. Revision test, poem Now We Are Six and lesson 9 The Naughty Monkey. Write poem Now We Are Six. Okay, you write this poem 8 lines. Then after make sentences nearly, just, hardly and much. Then after write meaning of these words. Naughty, screech and dangerous. Okay, then after answer these questions. What were the men doing in the forest? Next, what did the men do when they stopped? Question 3. What did the little monkey do? Now next, mark the sentences true or false. 3 men were cutting the wood. Number 2. The monkey did not listen to his mother. True or false, you write. Okay. The old monkey was naughty. First you write sentences, then after it is true or false, you mark it. Fill in the blanks then after. They were using a long dash. In the cut they put a dash. One baby dash was very naughty. So children, you do your work in your revision copy. First you have to read and learn all the exercises. Then after do it in your revision copy with a good and neat handwriting. Okay children, now bye.